Hey guys, welcome back to Touch Kicks. Today I've got a great video for you. I've got some early looks of some trainers. I just want to show you my latest pickup as well. So let's dive straight into it. And in the comments, after we do all the unboxing and all the looking at, let me know what you think. Now this is kind of a mini unboxing. Those of you that watch my channel regularly knows I always have stacks of boxes. But today I've only got 3 shoes to show. But they're so fire shoes that I didn't want to wait to stack it up to unbox it. One of them is a legendary shoe, a match winning shoe. A championship winning shoe, should I say, for Michael Jordan himself. But before, let's just get into it and then let me know what you think. So the ones I'm going to show you first, the box is already open. All cards on the table. I wasn't sure what I ordered. So I opened it, and it's not so much of a shoe, but it's continuing with the theme of summer and the hype around the Rejuvenate 8. So here we go. So this shoe is in this beautiful red Nike box, as you can see. Red with a white tick, very clean, very simple, and is the Nike Rejuvenate slide in a dusty cactus and metallic silver colorway. UK 11, which is my size, US 12. Obviously the Rejuvenate clog is hugely successful, so what Nike have done, like any other company would do, is convert into a slide to maximize the impact of it. And I'll tell you what, based on the pictures I've seen, I'm here for it. Let's have a look. So this could be the rival for the hugely popular Yeezy slides. Normal paper, it feels cheap, but again, this is not their premium brand. Open it, and there you go, you got the slide nestling inside. I'm gonna get out of the box quickly so I can show you. This has got the Rejuvenate technology in it as well, the React. So in theory, it should be crazy comfy, and there you go, here's the slide. And I've got to tell you what, this is a beautiful color. I love the colorway. I've got the all black slide, all black clog, sorry, and this is a cactus color one. I wish I got the clog in this colorway, but I do like this. Have a look. Let me know what you think. Give it a quick 360 of this. So it's almost like a gradient colorway. So you got the dark navy blue starting from the outsole with obviously with the studs, and you can see the cactus, what they're calling cactus, the cactus colorway, I guess. That you can see in between the shoes there. In between the outsole, sorry, and then it kind of gradually comes into a navy blue and into this beautiful color. I think this is the cactus color. I don't know, maybe dusty cactus. I've never seen the cactus this color before, but we're gonna go with it. We're gonna go with it. And yeah, so I have to put this on foot and try this against the Yeezy slide. So if you want to see my reaction to this shoe against the Yeezy slide, check my Instagram out at Touch Kicks. I want to throw both of them on for a bit and tell you which ones I prefer. So that's not going to get a YouTube video, to be fair, but I'll put it on Instagram and TikTok. But yeah, let me know what you think of this slide. I think it's really nice. It feels nice. It feels very comfy. You can see the React Rejuvenate foam. You can feel that there. The upper is also the foam, and obviously they've got the outsole, which is more plasticky, so quite sturdy, so it'd be easy to wear this outside the house. This is gonna serve me well around summertime. Great price, I think it's £54. Some sizes are still available. This is flying off, so maybe we'll do a giveaway with this next month, who knows. But yeah, that's the first shoe, not trainers, that I'm unboxing. Next one, I'm quite excited for this actually. This is one of the ones that made me not stack the boxes, and it's in this little bag there, but there's a box there. This came from Offspring. Shout out to Offspring for the win. And yeah, let's have a look at what's inside. So in terms of sneaker shops and sneaker places, I've got to say Offspring probably do one of the best packaging. I like that it comes in this premium looking box, that they're taking care of your shoes. And if you're paying almost 180, 189 for a shoe, actually maybe more now, 199 because of Trump. But yeah, so it comes in this white box. Anyway, that's not the main box. There's the receipt there, which I'm not going to show you. Oh my God, okay. I'm obsessed with sneaker boxes. I always keep all my boxes to the annoyance of my wife. But if I'm keeping the shoe, I'm keeping the box, even if I've won the shoe. But this box here, boosh, is stunning. Don't know if you can catch it, but you see the silhouette of Jordan's face, Michael Jordan himself, face on the box. I'm sure you can. That's an old school box, right? It's a throwback to how they used to do the boxes. I think in the 90s, I wasn't really collecting. I was too young to afford to collect, but I have seen some old school boxes and I really like that box. Can you see it? You can see it's looking stern as always. It's something about Will Smith. I'm not going to say anything more than that. Kind of start cussing out the goat, boy. And then you can see the size tag there is a UK 11, US 12. And this is Jordan 3 Retro OG, black, chili, and neutral grey. Yeah, that's what the shoe thing is. Air Jordan 3. I know what shoe it is now, obviously, but apart from the face, it's a pretty neutral box. It's just a black box with a red jumper on the other side as well. So let's have a look at what's in the box together. Now this is a bit more, we got the Flight there, Jordan Flight there. And what's weird is this here is synonymous more with the Jordan 4, but obviously not unique to it, the way the logo is written on the Flight, but they've done it in this Jordan 3 as well. If you open the box, the paper feels more premium than the other one. And I can't do it pow now because every shoe is individually wrapped, which I like. Again, like I said, if you're paying a premium for shoes, you kind of want it to feel premium and presented. It's something that Jordan brand started doing recently. I'm not sure why, but I'm here for it. So it's in this wrapped parcel here. Let's take the wrappings off. I've been dying to see this shoe, by the way. For those of you who did a competition on my Instagram, you know my third favorite silhouette is Jordan 3. Shout out to the people that guessed that right. Anyway, open this up, and what do we have here? We've got the Jordan 3 Rare Air. Wow. You know what, the initial impression just blows me away, right? It's really, I mean, I love the quality that they're going for here. As you can see, I'm not going to show you the back tab yet because there's a story to it, but there you go. That's the shoe. I'm going to open the other one just because of the purpose of this sneaker. So essentially, Jordan 3 Rare, or the Rare Air as they call it, the Rare Air pack, is the Jordan 1, there's the Jordan 3, and there's the Jordan 4 that I know everybody's waiting for. The Jordan 1 released a week or two ago and it's sitting everywhere. The hype of Jordan 1, of the Jordan 1s is done for now. It might come back, who knows? But obviously, we're back into the quality stuff, which is the Jordan 3 and Jordan 4 is still quite high. The Jordan 3, as you can see, is absolutely stunning. I really like this, and the whole purpose of the Rare Air is where Jordan have made mistakes, so to speak, factory defects, and what they've done is they've made a whole series about it. And the defect in this particular shoe is here. Boosh! If you can see the back tab, you can see the mirrored back tab. So one is going the right way, the other is going the wrong way, and obviously that's how every shoe comes. But that's a nod to any sample mistakes they made when they first made the shoe, where they put the Rare incorrectly, and that's what they've done with here. So yeah, I really like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go through this shoe with a wrong back tab, and if you got, you know, if you're have to see certain things in a certain way, this is messing with you right now, causing you all kinds of problems. But for me, looking at the camera, it looks all right, but obviously I know it's inverted. Anyway, so all around the shoe, the outsole is this beautiful grey with a red, more like a burnt red, and then obviously the beautiful Nike in the blue there, which is obviously my favorite color. And then that kind of graduates from into the midsole. So you got the grey there, you got the sail midsole, then you got the blue and black. They got rid of the elephant print. This is a nod to what Amamanier usually does, actually, to be fair, where they don't really have the elephant print there. You can see that in all the Jordan 3s they've done. And then it graduates into this lovely pebble leather all around the shoe. The toe box feels quite bouncy, if you can see there, so the leather quality is quite cool. And then obviously around the toe box as well, usually you have an elephant print. This time around, again, it's this suede in a grey that wraps. So you got the toe box, which is a darker shade of grey, and then the towards the back of the shoe, oh, don't drop the shoe, towards the back of the shoe you can see is more of a lighter suede. Yeah, overall I really like the shoe. Obviously you got the back tab with the inverted Nike Air there. Jumpman on the tongue, you can see, and it comes pre-laced in a black lace, you can see that. And obviously around the ringlets, the eyelets of the laces, it's a grey pebbled as well. Can't see any additional laces. Let's have a look in the box. Nope, no additional laces. So what they're saying to you, like, oh, there is. I'm sorry, Jordan brand. I'm sorry. There is laces there. I was like, what's going on? So you get an additional lace, comes in a sail lace, you can see in the box there. Yeah, so overall I think it's a really good quality shoe. I'm going to do a quick 360 of the shoe because I know you guys like seeing that. You get told off all the time on Instagram for not doing 360s. And yeah, I think this is going to go straight on feet for me. This is not released in the US yet, so all you my American subscribers, you haven't seen this yet. In the insole, you got rare air right there. You can see it. There we go. Rare air with a tick. Yeah, so altogether, really nice shoe. The quality is brilliant. Right, the next shoe and the last shoe. This is the legendary shoe. This is a championship winning shoe. Well, not this iteration of it, but stay with me. I'll tell you what I mean. Make some room for the championship shoe. Back tab off. Ooh. Shout out to size. This came really early actually. I think I won it on the Friday and I had it on the Saturday, which is incredible service. Let's get it out of the size box. Now, this is a shoe that I saw, and from the minute I saw it, I knew I was going to get this shoe. For the legendary status it is, and for the wearability as well. When I show you the shoe, you know exactly what I mean. It comes in this OG box, which I love what Nike are doing at the moment. Actually, they're kind of just feeling their way back through the archives and drawing on classic shoes, shop classic shoes and classic shoe boxes, and just drawing on the heartstrings of old school collectors. I mean, I'm not an old school collector. I started quite late. Probably 10 years in the game, but yeah, this is it. Anyway, this is an Air Jordan 11 Retro Low, black, varsity red, white. And you can see it's in my size, UK 11, US 12. Yeah, let's go through the shoe. Open the box, I've got the sellotape there, which is cool. I'm okay with that. And I've got to show you this as well. So in the tab, in the lid, you've got Just Do It there at the end, and then engineered and built to the exact specifications of championship athletes from around the world. I think we've seen this several times on Nike boxes as well. Have a look in the box. Oh, they flipped the script again. So I've opened 3 boxes today with 3 different types of paper. This is more of a checkered paper. Don't know if you can catch it on the camera right there. And this is not individual wraps. This is just laying there and bush. Jordan 11 Low in the bread colorway. This is the OG colorway. This is my favorite colorways in the 11s. I think this is everybody's favorite colorways in the 11s. And we all know that this is Michael Jordan's favorite shoe, the Jordan 11. Mainly because it mixes, you wanted a shoe that you can wear on court, but still flex it. And obviously the patent leather makes it look quite formal. This is a low cut iteration of this shoe, which I've got the actual OG 11 here with a mid top, I guess. So I'm going to compare both. So this is the OG, obviously, and this is the new low form one. Let's have a quick look. I'll be honest, apart from the top, it's exactly the same. Obviously, you haven't got the 23 there. Oh, I'm sorry, you do have the 23 there. All right, let's go through the shoe quickly. So as you can see, you've got the beautiful panther-like paw there, which is obviously an inspiration of Tinker Hatfield when I was designing the shoe. And you can see the red, the beautiful red and black accents. Red, right? Black and red. And you've got the shank there, the carbon fiber shank there, which gives the shoe some stability. And obviously wrapped in the midsole, it's a lovely, I don't know what material they've used for the midsole, like stiff foam, but it's pebbled and raised, so you can see it there, which I quite like. And then obviously, what we all love about the Jordan 11 is this patent leather, which feels quality, quite premium. I'll tell you what, this is going to be a really wearable shoe. In my head now, I'm thinking, I need to get my wife a pair of these shoes, just because I know she doesn't really like the high tops, but she'd wear the hell out of this, and I think it looks super cute with a small size as well. But yeah, go around the shoe, surrounded by this patent leather. You've got the mesh in the laces that we're used to. But jump on the back and the 23 right there. Overall, and then here you got your, obviously your normal Jordan that you see in the 11s. It's exactly a Jordan 11 that you've seen in terms of what I mean by this, but in a low cut format. I also know this is the first ever Jordan 11 low bread. There's been several attempts at it or several iterations of it, one with the red sock liner there, which is not quite the same or inverted. But the first time they've ever done a Jordan 1 low, sorry, the first time they've ever done a Jordan 11 low bread is 2025. And what a year to do it when we have all the heaters. Now this is going to go straight on toe. I want to wear this a lot because the lows are so easy to wear. Black jeans, black cargos, even shorts, right? Skinny legs are coming, the sun is out, but you know, you just got to deal with it. But yeah, I really like the shoe. Let me know what you think of all the shoes I've shown you today. Which one are you picking up? Which one are you not picking up? And let me know whether you think this is a better one than this one. Okay, this is the OG, right? So in my mind, it'll always be better, but I think this is probably a bit more wearable. Let me know, do you even like a Jordan 11? This is the shoe that Jordan wore straight after coming back out of retirement in 1995. He didn't win in that year, but then he wore the same Jordan 11, especially the bread, to win a championship. Something that's come to my mind quickly actually before I round up. Look at how this OG shoes used to come. That's the inserts, right? This come in the shoe. What they give us now is this. Stuff it full of paper, boy. But yeah, anyway, I'm not complaining. I like the shoe. I'll be wearing the shoe loads. Let me know what you picked up in the comments, and I'll see you very soon. Have a lovely, lovely week and a lovely month, and I'll see you on the next one.